div is nothing but a container. Div actually separates our web page into different parts and different sections. And as you see, if I save and reload, this is where my div was placed in. But as you see, you cannot see it. It does not make any changes in terms of looks or something. Div is all about accessibility, internal cleanness of code, and internal communications of HTML with CSS and JavaScript. And div doesn't actually do that much, but the main functionality of div, as I said, is dividing our page into different parts, and it works like something like grouping or something, you know. For example, this paragraph with these lists are a group of my contents plus this block code. So I cut them all and put them all inside a div. And this is how we can have this part of our page grouped. And this is all for division and functions as a container. A very important and cool point to mention over here, as you see, I placed my div, but there's some messy code over here, as you see. So we have div. This paragraph is one step ahead of the div, but this OL is just where the div is. So in order to make that clean, what Visual Studio Code offers is Alt-Shift-F. And whenever you press that, as you see, the formatting of the text of the code, will be way cleaner. And as you see, you will get a clean, neat code from Visual Studio. So this is, as you see, what div does. And this is what div is all about. We'll have more things to do with it as we go further. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.